Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the Windows 10 startup problems. And so for that we will just be following some few steps or easy ways to do that. So please open first the startup repair window, and since I can't do that because the moment I do that, the screen recorder tool or application that I am using will automatically cut this video, and I'll just be saying to you what options that you need to click on that window so that you can just follow what you should click. And so to first open the startup repair window or screen, all you need to do is just to go to your keyboard, and there we need to press and hold the shift key, and then please make a right click here in the Windows icon. Select this restart button here in this shutdown and sign out option. So once you're already in the startup repair window, all you need to do is just to click on the troubleshoot button there, and then click on advanced options. Once you have clicked on advanced options, proceed with startup repair. And after doing that, you need to sign in with admin credentials. So Windows will automatically diagnose now and attempt to repair the issues. If successful, just please click on continue to proceed to Windows. And if it not, if it doesn't fixes the problem and it can't repair the issue, then try the next method, which is to uninstall quality updates. So go again with the troubleshoot option there, and you need to click on advanced options. After clicking on advanced options, proceed with uninstall updates. Once you have done that, please select the uninstall latest quality updates option and wait for the process to finish. So once it is already done, just please click on continue, and then the third solution is to registry backup via command. So let me just quickly open the command prompt window so that you can follow what commands you can type on. So let me just quickly open this window. And once you're already in the black window, all you need to do is just to type the commands. So just please follow and then type it the way I'm typing it. So the first thing is to type C colon, and then once you have done that, just please proceed with clicking on enter. Once you have already clicked on enter, please type dir, and if it not if your main drive is not C drive, then try D drive or whatever letter that you have assigned with your main drive there. So navigate to configure folder and type there cd colon I'm sorry, it's cd space backslash windows backslash system32 backslash config. And after doing this one, just please click on enter. And here we need to create backup folder. So to do that, we need to type, let me just quickly delete all these commands here. You need to type md space backup. And then after doing this one, just please click on enter again. And then the next thing you need to do is to copy all config files to backup. So to do that, we need to type copy space star dot star space backup. And then once you're done doing this one, just please click on enter again. And after doing that, we need to navigate to regback or regback and confirm file. So to do that, please type cd space regback. Just like this one. After doing this one, just type again dir. And after doing this one, just please click on enter. And here we need to copy registry backup. So to do that, type copy space star dot star. I'm sorry, there should be star dot star space dot dot. After doing this one, just please click on enter again, and you have now successfully copied the registry backup. So once you're done with this one, just type exit to exit the command prompt window. And after doing this one, all you need to do is just to reset this PC. So go again to troubleshoot option, and there you can find the reset this PC option. So all you need to do is just to choose one option there. Either you can keep your files, it preserves the personal data, or you can just remove everything by having a fresh install. And then the next thing you need to do is to follow the prompts to reset your system and sign in with prompted. Windows will reinstall and reset. Okay, so another bonus tip is to system restore. So to do that, go to troubleshoot, click on advanced options, and then click on the system restore option. Then select a restore point if available. So just follow the prompts to restore Windows to a previous working state. So after doing this one, just please make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye!